morning, everyone. Welcome to today's meeting. My name is Jessica Martinez, and I am with the Quality Improvement Team that we have here at Chaparral Regional Hospital. Although Chaparral Regional Hospital is a smaller hospital, we have 60 beds and we offer a variety of services to our patients. Some services we offer include obstetrics, intensive and surgical care, pharmacy services, and we also offer our patients a physician referral service for those in need of specialty care that we cannot provide here at our hospital. The purpose of today's meeting is to address some of the concerns we have been having from our patients and also our staff. A lot of organizations have adopted a quality improvement plan to identify opportunities to provide patient and staff satisfaction. We will discuss the pros and cons to developing a plan and talk briefly about the different methods that we are looking to adopt. The ultimate pro to implementing a QI plan is to become patient-centered and to provide quality healthcare. The Quality Improvement Plan will allow us to pull data, analyze this data, and create a plan to address the opportunity for improvement. We will be able to address areas of waste and identify areas of need to balance our organization to be efficient. Because QI plans are fairly new, it is difficult to provide a list of cons. There is not a lot of research to provide outcomes on the effectiveness of a quality improvement plan. However, cost would probably be a big factor. This is why it is important for us to consider our waste and how we can balance our hospital. Through some research, another fear of implementing a quality improvement plan is that it becomes patient generalized. It could lead to patient over-testing of labs and services that wouldn't be needed. We will want to create a plan that will provide meaningful results. Our next step is choosing a model that would fit our organization. There are several different models to adopt, however, I'm just listing a few here. Lean would be a method or a model that we could look at to eliminate waste and utilize the skills of our staff to be efficient and effective. PDSA, the Plan, Do, Study, Act model, would identify different areas of opportunity and create a plan that we can then act on after we study the data. And SMART, specific, measurable, obtainable, relevant, time sensitive. In conclusion, it is extremely important for our hospital to create a quality improvement plan to address the concerns we have been having. All of you who serve on this board play an integral part in approving the need to develop a plan and help be the voice of our hospital. With your approval, we can have a healthy organization that is known for patient satisfaction and have excellent staff morale. I hope you all have a wonderful day.